Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility. Check that your bank card or loyalty program explicitly lists Dreamfolks Lounge access. Once confirmed, open the app and log in. Make sure your profile matches government ID. Next, locate your flight PNR and capture a clear boarding pass photo. Now tap the lounge access section and choose your airport. These initial steps unlock the pathway. Act now so you don't lose access windows or hit verification delays. Once you've picked the airport, filter lounges by terminal and the access time that matches your boarding. Choose the specific lounge and specify guest count. Dreamfolks will show whether it's complimentary or chargeable. Make sure to upload your boarding pass and a matching photo ID when requested, and finish any bank OTP or in-app verification immediately. Doing these steps now prevents rejection at the door and ensures the lounge sees your confirmed booking in their system. Approach the lounge desk with your app booking, boarding pass, and ID displayed together. Hand them to staff for scanning. Once admitted, verify guest limits and any time restrictions to avoid surprises. If entry is denied, immediately confirm the QR code or booking time and that you're at the correct terminal. Request that staff rescan. If that fails, open the app chat and the bank helpline, send screenshots, and escalate. This usually clears verification or triggers a manual override within minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.